If you are wondering if you can read and send messages on Xiaomi Watch 5, then the answer is yes. You can actually read and send messages as well. Of course, if you get a new message, you should be able to find it in the notifications, but you can also go to the list of apps by pressing the crown, and then you should be able to find the Messages app. And then in here, you can check all your messages. You can also start a new chat if you want to just tap on new chat. You can choose the contact. There we go. You should be able to select that person, tap on Start Chat. And there we go. Now you have a couple of options. Like here we have some preset, pre-made messages that we can immediately text. You can also activate the microphone in order to say things out loud, to pretty much turn voice to text. We also have this smiley face, which should allow us to find emojis. There we go. This is how it looks like. Let's actually close this. And also we have this keyboard, so you can even type your messages easily. So if you want to actually send a message, if you want to type it, then you can easily do so over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.